On this video today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to use Claude AI to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This is very simple, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create your Claude.ai accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, the next step is that you have to come on this website, vocalmedia.com. Vocalmedia.com is a popular website that allows you to post articles for free. You are not required to pay for anything. But this website, they have audience that are going to read your article. Once they read your article, you can make them take any specific action that you want. So now that we know vocal.media, the next step is that you have to come back on Claude again and then type a prompt. What we want to do is that we want Claude.ai to search on vocal.media and then find out the profitable niches and the popular articles that have been read on vocal media. So once we get that information, we can also write an article and then publish on vocal.media so that we can go viral on the platform. Once we go viral on the platform, we are going to get a lot of people to take a specific action that we want them to take. So just type a prompt here. In this case, I already have a prompt, so you can see this is my prompt. So let me show you. You can see you are an expert viral content strategist and top performing vocal media writer. Your task is to analyze vocal media and identify the most read and profitable niches currently trending, the types of headlines that get high engagement, the writing styles that perform best, topics most likely to go viral and generate earnings, story format that readers on vocal media love. Then you can see that is the prompt. It's a long prompt, so you can see it's a long prompt, so you can also generate a prompt like this. I will also leave it in the comment section so that you can copy this exact prompt and then use it on your own. So once you have your prompt, the next step is that you have to come right here and then click on send so that Claude.ai will do the task for you. So once you click on it, you have to wait for some time. You can see it is still decoding the input, so just wait for it to make everything easy for you. After some time, you can see it has given us a guide. You can see the viral content strategy guide for maximum earnings. So when you scroll down, you can see the kind of topics or niches that are trending. You can see this one: personal finance and money, psychology, mental health and emotional healing. You can see right here, this is an example of an article that trended on the platform. You can see this is another example, this is another example. When you scroll down, you can see right here, this is relationship and dating reality, self-improvement and productivity. You can see the kind of articles that trended under that niche. When you scroll down, you can see travel and expert life, true crime and mystery. You can see when you scroll down, it has given us a lot of different topics that are trending. You can see career, side hustles, freelancing, parenting and modern family. When you scroll down, you can see right here health, wellness, body stories and many others. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. Now once that is done, you can see here is your complete vocal media playbook. Use tabs to navigate all 4 steps. Here is a quick map of what is inside: niche, strategy, article, optimize. So that is the information that it has provided. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to select one of the top niches. So you can see right here, relationship and dating. So this is one of them. So what you need to do is that you have to look at the article that is trending. You can see the relationship red flag everyone ignores. He wasn't abusive, he was just slowly erasing me. These are the topics that trended the most under relationship and dating reality. So now once you have found out the topics that are trending, what you need to do is that you have to select one of them. In this case, I'm going to select relationship and dating reality. So what you need to do is that you have to come back on Digistore 24, or you can join any affiliate marketing network. You can join ClickBank, you can join any network. Once you join, now what you need to do is that you have to come on the marketplace and then find products that are related to the topic that you pick. So in our case, we picked relationship. So in Digistore 24, just click right here, digital products. Once you click on the digital products, the next step is that you have to click right here, dating, relationship and romance. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get products that you can promote. You can see the Heal Sold, Manifest Your Destiny. So scroll down, you can see daily routines of successful people. When you scroll down, there are many others. You can see a whole lot of them. When you click on chapter 2, there are many of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Since it is under the relationship products, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one, the commission rate is even high. You can see a whole lot of them, from frustrated wife to fulfilled partner. This is an ebook. You can see you are going to be earning $84.59 per every sale that you get. You can see this one, Swipe Smart. I think this is about dating apps. If you promote it and then get a sale, you are going to be earning $56.40 and many others. You can see the Train Eye program. So member area and video courses. You are going to be earning $160.35 and many other products. You can see this is one of the popular products that most people promote. His Secret Obsession. So it is for women. So if you want, you can promote it and many others. So just select the one that you want. In this case, let's go to number one of the popular products under dating and relationship. You can see a whole lot of them. This is the popular one, but if you don't want the popular one, you can still sort the products and then find the best one to promote. The popular one, the Heal Soul, Manifest Your Destiny. So that is the popular under the dating, relationship and romance. We don't want popular products. We want products with high cut conversion rate. So you can see cut conversion. Cut conversion is simply the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cut conversion rate, the higher the likelihood that you are going to get a sale promoting the product. So now what we have to do is that we have to click on cut conversion. Once you click on it, you can see His Secret Obsession is the product with the highest cut conversion. So this product, you are likely going to make a sale when you promote it. The second one is the Heal Soul, Manifest Your Destiny. So this one, you are going to be earning $27.13 per every sale that you get and many others. So just select the one that you want and then promote. This product is for only women. His Secret Obsession. So this one I think is for both gender. So just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to promote this one right here. So what you need to do is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on promote now, you can see this is your affiliate link that you can promote. So just click right here, copy, and then click on confirm so that you can get your affiliate link. But right now I'm just demonstrating. Now once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to get people to click on that link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning money. If you don't get people to click on it and then make a purchase, you are going to be making zero. So we are now going to find out how we can use vocal.media to get people to see this product, click on the link of the product, and then purchase it for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on Claude.ai and then ask it to write an article for you, which you can publish on vocal media to get people attention to the products. You can see these are the two top articles that has been trending on the platform. So what we need to do is that you have to write an article with this title or a similar title so that you can get people to read your article. These articles are already trending, so when you write an article using these titles or a title similar to these two, you are likely going to trend on vocal.media. So I'm going to select the second one, the relationship red flags everyone ignores. So I'm going to write an article on this. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, we are going to give a prompt so that Claude.ai can write an article for us. So I just write my prompt like this: write an article with this title. The next step is that you have to paste the title here. This is the title that I copied. You can also use this one, the one that you want. Now once that is done, you have to click right here, send, so that it can write the article for you. So just wait for it to write the article for you. You can see it is thinking. Within a short time it will write an article for you, which you can publish on vocal.media. As you can see, it has written everything for us. You can see everything. You can see the article. You can see it has even given us the tags that we can use to train on the platform, the keywords, and you can see everything. So you can see this is the article. You can see the article. You can see everything in the article. A very lengthy article which we can publish and then get people to buy our product that we want to promote in this article. Now what we are going to do is that we have to create a vocal media account and then post this article so that you can get people to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. So come on vocal.media. Once you come on vocal.media, click right here, join, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your vocal media accounts, the next step is that you have to publish your story. So what you need to do is that you have to click right here, create story. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to paste the title right here. So you can type the title of your article right here. When you come back on Claude.ai, this is the title of your article. So you can just highlight and copy it and then paste it, or you can type it. You can see I've pasted it right here. Now the next step is that the subtitle, you have to paste it right here. So what you need to do is that you have to come back and then copy the subtitle. You can see it right here, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to start writing your story. But before that, you have to insert an image. If you have an image, you can upload it. But since we don't have an image, click right here on Sparless image and then search for a relationship related image. Let's say relationship. You can see these are relationship images. You can click on next so that you can find a different image. In this case, I'm going to select this one, so just select it. Now once you have selected your image, you have to begin writing your story. So what you need to do is that you have to come back on Claude.ai and then highlight your article, highlight it. Once you highlight it, come back on vocal media and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. What you need to do is that you have to paste your entire article right here. So just highlight and copy everything and then paste it. You can see I've pasted the article right here. You can see this is the entire article and it looks nice. Now what you need to do is that you have to tag a call to action so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link. So you have to insert your affiliate link. To insert your affiliate link, you need to type call to actions. You have to type a call to action so that when people are reading this article, they can click on the call to action and then buy the product that you want to promote. So I'm going to insert my call to action. So let's type a call to action like this. You can see this is my call to action: manifest your destiny, discover the healed soul. So that is a call to action. Now once you have your call to action, what you need to do is that you have to come back on Digits24 and then click on copy promo link. That is your affiliate link. Once you have copied it, you have to come back on vocal.media, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, what you need to do is that you have to insert your link right here. You can see, click on this icon, link. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now you are going to press enter. Once you press enter, you can see your affiliate link has been linked right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight, copy everything, copy it. Once you copy it, you can insert it in any part of the article that you like. Just paste it in many part of the article. Don't over paste it. Just do it moderately. Another important part is that you have to paste it at the end of the article. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to go ahead and then publish your article. So what you need to do is that you have to click right here, save changes. Once you click on save changes, the next step is that you have to submit the article for review and publication. So click right here, submit for review. Once you click on it, what you need to do is that you have to select the community of the story, or let's say the niche. So just select any of them that you want. You can see family education, you can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that is best suited to the article that you have written. So just scroll down and then select the one that you want. So since it is about relationship, you can select marriage. Once you select marriage, you have to add the tags. So click right here, you can see the tags. Just add the one that you want. Add proposal, just select fashion and beauty and many others. Now once you have selected the tags, the next step is that you have to click right here, publish, so that your article can be submitted and then later on it will be published. You can see thanks for your submission. So later on your article is going to be published onto the platform and you are going to get people who will click on your affiliate link to purchase the product that you are promoting. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.